I'm still working. Still working. Need to work. I need to work. Work. Para okay na. A little okay than earlier. Pwede ko na kayong kantahan. Ay, pwede ko kaya. I can sing with you guys. Something like that. Kaso naboboring ako. You know what? Ano yun? Ang bilis, hindi ko nabasa, may scalp massage na nakakatanggal ng headache. Anong klaseng scalp massage? Parang badly need ko siya ngayon. Any kind of massage. Kailangan ko ng any kind of massage. Hello, bad boy. Hello, hi. Hi, hello, hi. Any hi, any home. Ay, ganun. Pero kumain talaga ako ng balot. Tapos kumakain ako ngayon ng cornic. Oh, thank you, Alone. Thank you for the hearts. For the likes. Thank you. I wanna watch. Okay. Konting sweets. Lambingin nyo nga ako. Wala nang sweetness sa buhay ko, kaya siguro nagiging ganito ako. Palambing. Anyone there? Can someone make what? Chocolate or something. I don't have any chocolate now. I finished them all already. Maybe tomorrow I'll buy some. I only have peanut. Happy? No. Chocolate? No. What's that? The